This is Dan, King of Boatshed, on board this Hardy 20. The reason for the sale by the owner is health reasons, and he has not been able to recently get down to the boat to tidy things up a bit. There's some nice features such as the tongue groove pilot house roof. There's some new kit as well, but it maintains many of its traditional features. Stepping down from the pilot house into the spacious cabin. The upholstery is generally okay, but one or two bits need some repair. Again, the nice tongue and groove roof. A long pilot berth. These boats are very suitable for coastal fishing and occasional weekends, and I've handled several of them. With a tidy up, there's plenty of life left in this boat yet.